With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. The question says the barrier potential in a PN junction is maximum in. So basically in this question we have to find, first of all, find the definition of a junction, PN junction basically, and then we have to find the condition where the PN junction barrier potential is maximum. Also we need to find that what is the PN junction. So if I want to draw a PN junction, here I draw it. A P and N junction, basically PN junction consists of two part, P and N portions, right? And basically P is the portion where it has a P is the portion which has holes and N is the portion which has electrons over here. Both are neutral in nature, both are naturally neutral in nature, and electron basically moves from N to P. Basically electron moves from N to P. Both are neutral in nature initially, right? But electrons move from N to P because of diffusion of electrons, right? So the P junction have a negative charge, the N junction creates positive charge over here. Thus, as we all know that electric field moves from positive to negative junctions always. As we know, there are two charges created over here, so electric field is there. Thus we can say on the electrons we have a negative force acting from negative to positive, that is P to N junction, would act over here, right? That's the electron. If it was originally moving from N to P, it will have a force of electric force of E times E from P to N junction, which will oppose the motion, which will oppose the motion of moving from N to P junction. Thus this equilibrium is maintained over here in this electronic states where the PN junction barrier is formed. Now what is a barrier? So if we talk about barrier potential, I would draw a graph over here. Which would show the barrier junction, right? So the graph is something like this, where we have to make a slope of infinite slope, right? And this infinite slope basically shows the potential, the barrier potential over here, which is basically one of the side is P junction, the second side is N junction. So basically if we increase the barrier potential, it is reverse bias condition. If we decrease the barrier potential, it is known as forward bias condition. So what is reverse bias and forward bias? So basically when in a PN junction, we all know that the negative side is the negative side is P and positive side is N. So when we do it like that, we connect the negative terminal out of the battery to P and positive to N, we can clearly find that the delta V would increase, the barrier potential would increase with the EMF that was of the battery. On the other hand, the forward bias, we do the opposite, so that the net barrier potential decreased by E, that is the EMF of the battery. Delta V minus E is the net barrier potential we can finally have over here. That is why over here in reverse bias only the barrier potential increases by E, that is the EMF. That is, we can say that it is always the maximum in reverse bias. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.